When creating documents, you may need to display text as list items, or perhaps you might need to add a numbered list. Microsoft Word is perfect for these tasks. Head over to Westcal and see how they use list items. A medical student has written to Westcal requesting a list of books that the company has published in their field. Grace has been tasked with responding to the student's inquiry. She must create a document that provides the titles as a numbered itemized list. You can create 3 types of lists in Microsoft Word. The first of these is a bulleted list. With a bulleted list, each list item is marked with a character or symbol. You can also create a numbered list in which each item is identified with a number or letter. And finally, there are multi-level lists. You'll cover these at a later stage. But for now, it is enough for you to know that a multi-level list separates points, subpoints and sub-subpoints with various symbols, letters or numbers. So how do you display text in the form of different list items? To convert existing text to a bulleted list, first select the text. Then click the Bullets command in the Paragraph group of the Home tab to apply the default formatting. The default bullets are applied. The Bullets command can also be found on the mini toolbar. You can also click the drop-down arrow next to the Bullets command to choose a different style. Note the Recently Used Bullets and Document Bullets section in the drop-down menu. Use these sections to quickly pick a recently used item or a type of list already used in the document to maintain consistency. To create a list while you type, click the Bullets command. Type the information for the first bullet and then press Enter to move to the next line. Once you have finished entering the items in your list, press Enter twice to signify the end of the list. To convert existing text to a numbered list, first select the text. Then click the Numbering command in the Paragraph group of the Home tab to apply the default formatting. The default numbering style will then be applied. The Numbering command can also be found on the mini toolbar. You can also click the drop-down arrow next to the Numbering command to choose a different style. Just like with bulleted lists, the numbered lists drop-down also contains recently used and document sections. To maintain consistency, use these sections to quickly pick a recently used item or type of list already used in the document. To create a list while you type, click the Numbering command. Type the information for the first number and then press Enter to move to the next line. Once you have finished entering the items in your list, press Enter twice to signify the end of the list. To further customize a list, just click the Define command at the bottom of any of the 3 drop-down menus. For example, here is the command for the Bullets drop-down menu. And here is the resulting dialog box. Note that each list type has a different dialog box. You now know how to use the available tools to create and customize simple bulleted and numbered lists in Microsoft Word. Great job!